Morning, everybody. This is Jhimm. We're going to start this painting. This is called Margarita number 5. Here again, we're just laying out the drawing of the painting of what I'm going to paint. Going to move a little quicker now. Look how fast my hands are. Man. Okay, we're doing some taping here, taping up and getting ready to paint the different rectangles. I'm thinking of doing a painting in all metallic colors. I wonder how that would look. You know, if it doesn't come out nice, you know, it'll never see the light of day. And this again is one of my triangle people. Again, I'm using it's a light tan, thinned with a little Liquitex pouring medium. I painted the border with this neon green, and I did not like it. It did not cover well. I put about 4 coats on it before I realized I had to change it to a darker green, which I did, as you can see. The red and this blue are both metallic colors. You get a little shine to it when looked from an angle, when viewed from an angle. I like this picture a lot. Again, we're using this lamp black around the border. This is 18 by 24. It's a Canson watercolor paper. It's a heavy duty 140-pound paper. All that's left now is the signature. Off to dry and varnishing later on. Hope you enjoyed this picture. Again, remember it's always available on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. You could subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell. It'd be appreciated. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. Jhimm out. Hello, everybody. Oh, my umbrella's folded down. Hold on. Ooh, it's pretty in there. There's a red one. Jhimm.
Beautiful.
This is, it is, oh, thank you. This is Margarita number 5.
Number 5?
Number 5. And it is also 18 by 24. We're all 18 by 24s anyhow, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody that subscribed in the past month.
How about those who have bought?
I definitely appreciate everybody who's been buying them, that's for sure. So if you'd like to purchase it, this is available on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. It's very reasonable. And I hope you all have a great day. And again, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment, and ring the bell. Have a great day.